Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. With warm weather, there's nothing more refreshing than eat a salad. Although we should have a little salad with every meal throughout the year, summer brings a desire to enjoy fresh salads more often. There's one that I make quite regularly, and each time everyone just loves it. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Greek salad. This tasty dish is very simple to make, and with this many fresh ingredients in it, this salad is hard to resist. It is a great side dish for any grilled food. It freshens things up. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Alright, so we'll go ahead with the recipe, but first we'll prep our cucumber. What we'll basically do is to quarter it by cutting in half, then half again, and just slice it thin, that's all. Now in a large bowl, we'll combine red onions, sliced cucumbers, red peppers, cherry tomatoes, sliced black olives, and feta cheese. We'll gently toss the ingredients until well mixed and then set it aside. Now in a small mixing bowl, we'll add pressed garlic, olive oil, red wine vinegar, then white vinegar, dried basil, dried oregano, fresh chopped dill, fresh squeezed lemon juice, some Greek seasoning, freshly ground black pepper, and fresh chopped parsley. We'll whisk the ingredients until very well blended and then simply pour the dressing over the salad. We'll toss everything again before transferring to the fridge to chill for about 1 hour. And my friends, this is our Greek salad. Packed with garden fresh ingredients, this colorful salad is not only delicious but very healthy too. This is an amazing recipe that can be paired with any protein or enjoyed all on its own. This Greek salad is so refreshing, tasty, and good for us. It's definitely a dish we should have more often. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!